Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a new kind of video. I am sharing with you all toners I have used, some of which I may have actually filmed a video on that I would actually recommend. Before we begin with today's video, I'd love to welcome everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nadia and I am a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Please feel free to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link those down below for you. Also, if you haven't yet to subscribe, be sure to subscribe and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a brand new upload. I am going to start this video by saying that there are different opinions out there. Some skincare professionals will recommend toners. Some skincare professionals will not. I personally recommend them to my clients if they need them. There are a number of toners out there that will help to manage oil production, control shine, even tone, and simply hydrate the skin. Depending on how you apply your toner, it may remove excess dirt, oil, grime, debris that perhaps your cleansers did not remove, while at the same time rebalancing your skin's pH after cleansing. There are, however, a ton of cleansers in the market that are already pH balanced. So that's where that differing opinion comes in, where some skincare professionals will tell you that you don't need a toner. If you're a creature of habit like me, you need a toner. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that there is one product I just cannot live without. My love affair with this toner began a long time ago when I went into Sephora to look for something to help manage my oils and my breakouts because I thought I had super oily, acne-prone skin, when in reality I had normal combo skin that literally broke out once a month. But when you're young, your skin feels, at least it did to me, like an oil slick. And those breakouts felt like they lasted an eternity, which they didn't. Now they do, because my cell turnover rate is so slow. I went to Sephora and the Sephora sales associate recommended the Murad clarifying toner, but it didn't really work out. So after I finished up that unit, I remember the toner having a cooling, almost tingly, stinging sensation over my very young, very normal skin. After I finished the entire unit, I went back and I still wanted a toner and I still wanted to use Murad for some reason. So I went back to Sephora and the Sephora rep recommended the Hydrating toner. And the rest is pretty much history. So my first toner rack, this is an old bottle that I have used to refill my actual pro size hydrating toner, so I'll refill the huge unit. I'm already out of it because I've refilled this 3 times. But anyway, Murad's Hydrating toner. This retails for $35. You do get 6 ounces worth of product here, and each ounce costs $5.83. You can find this toner at Murad.com and Sephora.com. This toner has a number of really good antioxidants, hydrating, and skin replenishing ingredients. This does contain, however, a number of poor ingredients such as witch hazel, benzyl salicylate, linalool, citronellul, and fragrance. I have been using this for well over a decade, and I have not responded to these ingredients in a negative way. I began using this product before I became an esthetician, and when I started working professionally, I used this product on my clients. It is my go-to for myself and my clients, unless they have acne-prone skin and need something that's geared more towards acne-prone skin. Personally, I love that I can mist this after a shower. It's safe enough for you to use around the eyes. And if my skin is feeling parched, I will apply several layers of this. I also like to use this to prep the skin prior to using an exfoliating mask and immediately following the mask. Personally, I use this a lot as I travel to and from Europe for nearly 3 years. My skin soaked this up, especially after long flights, and it really helped to balance my skin with both temperature and environmental changes. I also take the hydrating toner with me every time we go to Coachella, and again, my skin just soaks this up. As you may know, the Coachella Valley is very dry, and if you couple that with long nights of being outdoors, drinking and partying, your skin's gonna go through a few things, so it's really good, just gonna soak up all of the antioxidants. I use this almost daily unless I am in the mood for something different. I also use this on nights when I use a glycolic or a retinol-based routine, so as not to apply too many actives over the skin or just actives that don't pair well together. I would recommend the Murad Hydrating Toner to all skin types, maybe not sensitive skin types, since this does contain a number of pore ingredients and we also see fragrance. If you are in the market for a hydrating toner, this is one that I would recommend because it's worked for me for many years. This is literally my first adult skincare product love, so there's a lot of like emotional attachment to this product. So when I was a teen, I used a lot of Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, and St. Ives apricot scrub, sadly. So even though I did not have acne prone skin, I had a breakout once a month. Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, it was just being fed to me by Teen and 17 magazine. Like, are those even around anymore? I'll always have one of these readily available, even though it's got witch hazel and ingredients I don't typically dig in other skincare products. I will always have a unit around. If you are sensitive to fragrance, I recommend my second favorite. This is my second unit ever of the Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrating Toner Mist. This retails for $28. You do get 5 ounces, and each ounce is $5.60. You can find her at peterthomasroth.com and sephora.com. This has a number of good antioxidants, skin replenishing, and skin restoring ingredients. We still see witch hazel here within this formula. It is the second ingredient, and we also see sodium hydroxide, which can have a sensitizing effect over the skin. I will never ever recommend that you go into the skin with straight up witch hazel, but mixed in with other hydrating, skin soothing ingredients, I don't really seem to mind it. I like that this particular toner just has 1 pore ingredient, and it also does not contain alcohol or fragrance. I find this to be very gentle and quite hydrating. I use this the same way that I use my hydrating toner. I'll mist it over the skin after a shower or after cleansing, and before either a glycolic or a retinol night skincare routine. I also use this over the skin prior to masking as a means to prep the skin for treatment. My one gripe about this is the mister. Both in the unit I used last time and this mister, it's not my favorite. I do wish that the mist was a little bit finer. I would recommend this to all skin types, more so my sensitive skin friends who may also suffer from dehydrated skin, who just need an added level of hydration. Now my next toner favorite here is a recent favorite that I thoroughly enjoyed this summer. It did a solid job at managing oil and controlling shine and deep cleaning my pores. I am getting older and the collagen levels within my skin are starting to drop, so I'm noticing my pores a lot more, and I don't want them to get bigger, because bigger your pore is the more it will attract dirt, oil, grime, debris, and the bigger it will get. So that's when you need a little guy like this. This is Pharmacy's Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. So she looks like this. She retails for $28, and you do get 4 ounces here, so you get less. And each ounce is valued at $5.60. You can find Deep Sweep at pharmacy.com and sephora.com. I did a review on this product actually a while back, so I will link her right up here for you so you can easily access the review. Have a look if you're interested in a product such as this. This toner has a number of really good ingredients. It is rich in antioxidants. It's hydrating. It also contains salicylic acid, which is an oil-loving acid. It also has gluconolactone and papaya, which I personally love to see in skincare products, but it can be sensitizing to the skin. It is a very gentle chemical exfoliant, but again, it can be sensitizing to the skin. I like that this specific product is not fragranced. If you do smell something, it's natural. It's not added. It's very easy to use. You can use this particular toner both AM and PM, and just make sure to follow it with an SPF if you are using this during the day. I like reaching for this specific product during my nighttime routine, especially on those lazy nights. I've mentioned this before here on my channel. There are some nights where I am just both physically and just mentally exhausted that I can't think about a routine, and sometimes I just want to try something new, but I just don't want to put it together. So then I'll cleanse, use this, and then follow it with a moisturizer. I love using Pharmacy's Deep Sweep with Pharmacy's Daily Greens, especially since it's still feeling like summer here. We're having a nice like fallish day today, but we are gearing up for another heat wave next week. I mean, it's always summer in California. Unlike the other toners that I have and love, I use this toner with a cotton round. I do avoid pairing this with other actives so as not to irritate the skin. I would recommend Daily Greens to anyone with a normal combo, oily skin, as it really does exfoliate the skin, deep clean the pores, and it also helps to manage oil production and shine. The last toner I have to share with you is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which looks like this. This toner is very budget friendly and very, very good. She retails for $14. You do get 4 ounces here, and each ounce costs $3.50. You can find this at goodmolecules.com and beautylish.com. This toner has some of the best ingredients out there to help brighten, even tone, and minimize the appearance of pores. There are no alcohols, no fragrance, or poor ingredients within this formula. We do see niacinamide, arbutin, vitamin C, and licorice root extract. I like that this particular toner is budget friendly and easy to apply. It contains a tyrosinase inhibitor, antioxidants, and pore refiners. With this particular toner, I do not feel the need to use it with a cotton round. I will literally just put some of this on the palm of my hand and then just pat it over the skin. I primarily use this in the morning before my workouts, before I apply my SPF if my skin feels dehydrated due to the air conditioner, or if my skin feels tight after using retinol the night before. Now, all of the other toners give my skin a glow, but this one gives my skin the ultimate glow, I have found. I would recommend this particular toner to all skin types, even more so those who are looking to improve tone, as we do see arbutin, vitamin C, and niacinamide within this formula. And that is all I have for today's video. Be sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it. It lets me know to create more videos like this for you in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you have yet to subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a new upload. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you I am going to start this video by repeating myself 3 times in a row. Even though I did not have acne prone skin, it was just being fed to me